Yes, Mommy, I can do that. Yes, Mommy, I can do that. Touch your toe to your cheek, to your ear. Oh, you're so flexible. All the way over to your nose.
Let me see one of those feet.
Mm-hmm.
I'll zoom in on the foot there. Now that, keep it in one place.
Look at his hand.
Look at that little foot.
Let's look at his hand.
Okay, let's find his hand. Well, Donald, that's your little hand. Where'd it go? There it is.
Let's see it.
Now keep it in one place.
Oh, Daddy, it's not any fun to hold it. It's just a bit.
There it is.
And here's the foot.
Where?
Right there. Do you see it?
There's the belly button. Nice belly button there. Oh, and there's the baby. Hi, baby.
Boy. Boy. Yay. Yay. Should we see his back? Turn you over?